Well, you got that tail going, don't you? You guys smell it, huh? You know what they smell? That. Today is deer jerky day. Today's video is brought to you by Nice Targets. Check them out online. They sent me a couple of shirts, one for me and one for the missus, and they sent me a box of targets. Check these out. These are bow targets, so you hang them up in front of your archery target and you can shoot at them. They've got all kinds of stuff. Look at this deer. They've got like normal targets. You call your shop, I'm shooting the 2-ball, and you go for it. You can play poker. So you and a buddy can shoot against each other and try to get the best poker hand you can. Darts. So I haven't got to use any yet because they got them to me kind of late. We had an issue with shipping and I was already into the hunting season. I was pretty much done target shooting. So I got them too late to use. But I've been wearing the shirt. Cass has been wearing her shirt. I've got the targets for next year. You're going to see these again in the future. One more shout out. Man versus Deer. Check him out on YouTube if you're into hunting videos. He does kill, clean, cook style videos. A heck of an outdoorsman. I think an even better cook. I've learned a lot from him. Enough of that stuff. Let's get into the video. I didn't make it up, but this is the deer jerky recipe that my family likes the best. And you can kind of tweak it the way you want. But let's get into it. So I've got, I don't know, I bet that's 3 pounds of meat, deer jerky. Deer meat, you can see some of it's still got some silver skin. I'm okay with that because I like it to be kind of chewy, and that's the stuff that makes it, you kind of got to gnaw on it and work your way through it a little bit. But it's about 3 pounds of meat. Let me move my camera down here. Can you see that? All right, here we go. So up first, soy sauce. Just cheap, doesn't have to be nothing fancy. This is 1 cup. It's like 1 3/4. So we'll do another 1/4 of a cup. That's 2 cups total. 3 cups. I would only do 1 cup if it was 1 pound of meat. So use that ratio to determine what you need. Next, wash your sister sauce. I heard a guy on a video call it that, and I swore I would do it the same way the rest of my life. So we're gonna do 1. 2. 3 of that as well. Wash your sister sauce. Liquid smoke. This is hickory. Choose whatever kind you enjoy the most, and we're gonna do 1 cup of that. Ketchup. Just give her one of these. However much that was, that's how much you need. Ground pepper. 1 tablespoon. Garlic salt. 1 tablespoon. Onion powder. Guess how much? 1 tablespoon. Salt. Just a little bit, because that soy sauce is pretty salty, and if you do too much salt, it'll get away from you. That's normally where I stop. However, I have been messing with it, and I like to get some crushed red pepper. Because I've been slowly kicking it up a couple of notches. We'll do, it's about 1.5 tablespoons. This is diced jalapenos with some juice. And last, we're gonna do some minced garlic. Okay. Ooh, I can smell it already. Holy cow. Now we've got all that mixed together. What I'm gonna do we're gonna move over here. Oh, you won't fit in there. Yeah, you will. Just barely, boy, I'm telling you. Don't fall, camera. You're very expensive. This is just so I can wash my hands quickly. But all I'm gonna do is just mix it all up. Just kind of stirring it around. Watching my salts and peppers and minced onion or minced garlic. Make sure it's getting kind of all even. It's got a high octane smell to it. And then I pat it all down like this, okay? Get it all under the liquid. Get some old, as we say in Missouri, tin foil. To everyone else in the world, it's known as aluminum foil. Unless you're British, it's called aluminium foil. Now, we're gonna go put it in the fridge. What's that? Oh, are you okay? Oh, yeah, I'll drink you. www.MissouriPublicHunter.com. In 24 hours, we're gonna remove it, stir it up with our hands just like we did the first time, put it back in for 24 more hours, for a total of 48 hours. Then I'll come back to you and show you the next step of the process. It's a couple days later. I accidentally deleted the footage of me taking the jerky out of the fridge and put them in the dehydrator and turned it on. It ran for 12 hours. When I woke up this morning, I had 2 giant bags of this. We've already eaten half of this. The other giant bag's in the freezer. Got a little bit of a kick. Tastes really good. Give the recipe a try. Let me know if you do, what you think of it. I think I got a jalapeno. Thanks for watching. Gall dang.